Let's take a look at additive and multiplicative inverse. So conceptually, these really aren't all that hard, but if you don't know what the term means, then you could get it wrong. So we got a few example questions here. So with additive inverse, all it really means is that, so like this first question here says additive inverse of 5, right? And so really what they're saying is 5 plus what equals 0, right? So in most cases, you're going to see it as just being the opposite, right? So 5 minus 5 equals 0. So your answer is -5. What is here's just another example, -7, right? -7 plus 7 is 0. So there we go with our 7. And that's really all you got to know. If you happened to get a fraction, right? So you got 1/2. Right? What does that equal? Right? Of course, they have to give me the answer there. So if I see additive inverse of 1/2, it's the same. 1/2 plus what equals 0, right? Then the answer is -1/2, right? So that's really all you got to know for your additive inverse questions. Really pretty simple concept. Multiplicative inverse is similar, but it's really, you're just reversing it. So the multiplicative inverse of a divided by b equals b divided by a. That's the formula that you're working with, right? So as we look at a couple of examples here, multiplicative inverse of 3, remembering that 3 really equals 3 divided by 1. If we flip those, and we get 1 divided by 3, yeah? And if you get a fraction, like here you get 1/2, again, you just flip it so that the numerator becomes the denominator, and the denominator becomes the numerator. So 1/2 flipped is 2/1, or just 2. And that is really all you got to know for additive multiplicative inverse.